We got to the most exciting part of this section. You want to implement auto-completion, just like the auto-completion we have on Google or YouTube. So here we have a try with 2 branches. In this try, we have a few words: car, card, care, careful, and egg. Let's say the user types car. We want to show all the words that hang off this branch. So car, card, care, and careful. To implement this, we need to do a pre-order traversal in this tree. Earlier, I told you that when we do a pre-order traversal, these characters are going to come out in the right order because we visit each node first before we visit its children. So we're going to walk down the tree using the pre-order traversal, but we only look at the nodes that represent our prefix, which is what the user has typed. So if the user has typed car, we only want to go to this branch. We don't care about this other branch, right? Now, as we're visiting these nodes, we have to build different words. So we should combine these characters as we go down the tree. Initially, we're at the root. We don't have any characters here. Now we visit the C, so we add it somewhere as the current word. Then we go to the A, so we add A to the current word. Then we visit the R. Once again, we add it to our current word, so car. Now, every time we're visiting a node, after we add its value to the current word, we need to see if this node represents the end of a word. If it does, then we need to add the current word to a list. So here we add the car to our list. Then we continue with our pre-order traversal. So we go to the D, we add it to the current word, we get card. Again, we check to see if this node represents a valid word. If it does, we add it to our list. Now, this node doesn't have any children, so our recursive method is going to go back to the previous node, to the R. At this level, our current word is car. Now with our pre-order traversal, we go to the next child, the E. So we add the E to our current word, we get care. Once again, we check to see if the current node represents the end of a word. If it does, we add the current word to our list. This is the algorithm we need for auto-completion. Now, to implement this, your recursive method needs 3 parameters. One is the node that we're visiting. Let's call it the root. The other is a string that represents the current word. So as we visit these nodes, we add the value of the current node to this word. And finally, we need another parameter here, a list of strings. This is where we collect the words. So go ahead and spend 20 minutes on this exercise, then come back see my solution.